Reputation manipulate my decisions. Baby, there's nothing holding me back.
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने
Stop and traffic police don't play. This is road. Be safe.
Your mommy, walk with your daddy. Hold their hands, hold their hands. When it's time to cross the road, look for the sound of the cars on the road. Don't you run to cross the road. Look for the zebra crossing code. Wait for the signal to be green. Look right and left before you lean. These are the basic rules you see. You must follow them for.
Good morning everyone. Today our students are going to explain traffic rule which is implemented by the government for road safety. Let's welcome our first and second.
Hi Sita. Hi Pranita. Yesterday traffic police at the murder. I don't know why. Traffic rule. Stop. Look at this. This is four letter sign, which means we have to slow down while passing the road. Hey, what do you understand? Hey, what is that? This is zebra crossing line, which means use the cross the road. Hey, are you understand? Yes, I understand. What is that? Park your car. Hey, are you understand? Yes, I understand. This is speed limit board. While driving less than 20 speed limit. Hey, are you understand? Traffic rules which are for safety. Thank you.
For your safety. Walk with your mommy, walk with your daddy, hold their hand.
Explain traffic rules which is helpful for our own safety. So always obey the traffic rules and be safe. Thank you.
Look for the sound of the cars on the road.